Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises not just culinary success but also a conscious approach to our kitchens and the planet. We're talking about the Bloomhouse 12-piece Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Cookware set with non-stick non-toxic ceramic interior. This set is designed to be a complete solution for your kitchen, offering versatility and a focus on healthy living. Let's break down exactly what you get. The box contains 2 frying pans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, perfect for everything from a quick scramble to searing a steak. You'll also find 2 saucepans, a smaller 1.5 quart and a larger 3 quart, ideal for simmering sauces or cooking grains. Then there's a 6 quart everyday pan, which is essentially a deep sauté pan, and a 6 quart Dutch oven. Crucially, most of these pieces come with lids, and the larger pans include ceramic steamer inserts. Finally, a thoughtful touch, 12 protective care bags are included to keep your new cookware pristine. One of the most compelling aspects of this set, and indeed the Bloomhouse brand, is their commitment to environmental responsibility. For every set sold, they partner with one tree planted to plant a tree. This is a fantastic initiative that allows consumers to feel good about their purchase, contributing to a healthier planet. Now, let's talk about the heart of any cookware, the cooking surface. Bloomhouse uses what they call Supreme Fusion technology for their non-toxic ceramic non-stick interior. This is a significant selling point, as it's made without PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, or cadmium. This means you can cook with greater peace of mind, knowing you're avoiding potentially harmful chemicals. They claim this ceramic coating is 10 times stronger than standard ceramic coatings, which, if true, points to excellent durability and longevity for everyday use. The construction of these pots and pans is equally important. They are crafted from 18-8 Tri-Ply Stainless Steel. What this means is that you have 3 layers of metal fused together. Typically, this involves stainless steel on the exterior and interior, with a thick-gauge aluminum core sandwiched in between. The aluminum is the key player here for heat distribution. It attracts heat rapidly and then ensures that heat spreads evenly across the entire cooking surface, from the base all the way up the sides. This prevents those frustrating cool spots and uneven cooking results that can plague lower-quality cookware. The aesthetic is also noteworthy, with a design inspired by the curvature of Colombian sculptures, aiming to bring warmth and beauty to your kitchen. The utility of this set is further enhanced by its compatibility with a wide range of stovetops. Whether you have a gas range, an electric cooktop, a ceramic hob, a halogen burner, or even an induction cooktop, these pots and pans are designed to work seamlessly with them all. This makes the set incredibly versatile, fitting into most modern kitchens. Beyond the core features, the description highlights some additional benefits. The extended cast handles are designed for a safe and comfortable grip, which is essential when dealing with hot cookware. The ceramic steamer inserts are a smart addition for those looking to embrace healthier cooking methods, allowing you to steam vegetables, fish, or dumplings without adding extra oils. For cleaning, the stainless steel cookware is recommended to be hand-washed to preserve its longevity, and it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The ceramic steamer inserts, however, are conveniently dishwasher and oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And, of course, those 12 protective care bags are a really nice touch for storing the cookware, preventing scratches and ensuring it lasts for generations. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of this Bloomhouse set. On the positive side, the commitment to non-toxic materials is a huge draw for health-conscious cooks. The Supreme Fusion non-stick coating, if it lives up to its 10x stronger claim, could offer a superior and longer-lasting non-stick experience compared to many other ceramic options. The Tri-Ply Stainless Steel construction with an aluminum core promises excellent heat distribution, which is fundamental for great cooking results. The inclusion of steamer inserts and protective bags adds significant value and utility. And, as mentioned, the environmental initiative with one tree planted is a strong ethical appeal. The all-stovetop compatibility is also a major plus, making it a safe bet for almost any kitchen setup. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few potential considerations. While the ceramic coating is non-toxic, the long-term durability of any non-stick surface, even a reinforced one, can be a concern for some users, especially with heavy, daily use. Hand washing is recommended for the main cookware, which might be a drawback for those who prefer the convenience of a dishwasher for all their kitchen items. While oven safe, the limit of 500 degrees Fahrenheit is generous but might be a limitation for very specific high-heat baking applications. Finally, the aesthetic, while praised for its artisanal inspiration, might not appeal to everyone's personal style. In conclusion, the Bloomhouse 12-piece Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Cookware set is a compelling offering for those seeking healthy, durable, and versatile cookware with an eco-conscious edge. The combination of non-toxic ceramic non-stick, robust tri-ply stainless steel construction, and thoughtful accessories like steamer inserts and protective bags makes it a strong contender in the market. If you prioritize health, environmental responsibility, and a well-performing set of pots and pans for everyday cooking and special occasions, this Bloomhouse set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.